Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. Yabona bafethu lama team anjengo Richards Bay, lama team anjengo Golden Arrows, lama team anjengo Polokwane City, teams like Chippa United, they must continue using their venues to host these big teams. Everyone knew akekho umuntu bengazi ukuthi ke iMamelodi Sundowns kule game ezoyidlala against Richards Bay bazowadropa ama points. Manje sibonile namhlanje bafethu iMamelodi Sundowns idropile ama points, same Orlando Pirates ngesikhathi bedlala nayo iRichards Bay badropa ama points. Kaizer Chiefs ke yona ke shawa yona iRichards Bay without a shot on target. Yabo, Kaizer Chiefs athi idlala namhlanje against Orlando Pirates bakwazi ke bayibambi Orlando Pirates ingawutholi u3 points. Same as iMamelodi Sundowns namhlanje. So ileague isakhona, iMamelodi Sundowns ine game in hand. Njengoba bene game in hand bawudlala against iPolokwane City, abayi kuyodlala le Peter Mokaba Stadium cha. Bawudlala kwesinye istadium, istadium esijwayele ukudlala iMagesi FC. Ileague isakhona madoda. Musani ukuphela umoya. Zisazotholana. Yabo, zisazoshana zizeyibukana. Namhlanje ngibona isimanga. I saw something regarding these players eMamelodi Sundowns. Ama players eMamelodi Sundowns akayijwayele ipressure kanje. Yabo, akayijwayele ipressure kanje because ngale ikhathi siwe sesazi ukuthi ke ileague yapi. Last season Orlando Pirates ngalesikhathi yayi ku semi final yani na ye-CAF Champions League. Njoba yayi ku final ye-CAF Champions League sasesazi vele ngalezi ikhathi ukuthi ke ileague izoya kuMamelodi Sundowns because ama point iMamelodi Sundowns yayisisilida ngawo nama games in hand ayisinawo. Sesesazi vele ukuthi okay, vele thina into emele siyenze right now ukuthi sifocus ekwinina kwi-Champions League naku ke sikhishwa iPyramids. Yabo, same as this season. This season eke thina asikho kwi-league, asikho kwini cup competition ekhona, sekusele i-league right now. So athathile amanye ama cups. Njengoba sekusele i-league nje, eMamelodi Sundowns yona yazi ukuthi ke ama team ewalandelayo noma ke elandela wona right now phela phambili Orlando Pirates asuke esekhathela ama team ngale ikhathi bona nje basuke sebe relaxile sebefaka nje abadlali amangajwayele ukudlala. Right now they played their best 11 against Richards Bay, but Richards Bay was far better than Mamelodi Sundowns. I saw that second half of Richards Bay, they were far better than Mamelodi Sundowns. Richards Bay idedile amathuba amaningi. Le game bekumele iwin. Ukuba be serious ngempela ukuthi ke iwin le game bekumele iwin because there were many chances. I-chance ayi-1 yeMamelodi Sundowns engiyibonile second half ilapho khona ngibona uShalulile eshaya eceleni. uShalulile eceshe wakora wanikeza iMamelodi Sundowns 3 points. That was the only best chance iMamelodi Sundowns ibinayo. The best chances ababenayo iRichards Bay ibinayo. Abomcineka abajida abadlalile namhlanje uSanele Barnes. I don't know why Sanele Barnes was let go of Stellenbosch. Angazi ngempela uSanele Barnes umchita one of the best. Squish mfethu. Sengithi squish. Buye ngikhohle phela. Abachita mhlawumbe bedlala ngempela abachita namhlanje. I'm very very happy indlela abadlala ngakhona. Bayakhombisa ukuthi ke laphana bafethe emhlathuze uma uza khona akumele uze ngobuso. It's a lesson ke kuba party bayo iRichards Bay. It's a lesson ukuthi ke each and every big game, not even each and every big game, each and every game abayidlala kumele bayidlalele khona le ukuze ke bazokwazi ke benze kahle next season. Yabo kube baqale nje bedlala wonke ama games abo le emhlathuze. Mhlambe right now ngabe siyakhuluma mhlambe bala ko top 4, top 3. Yabo because badlala kahle abajita benza kahle. eKaizer Chiefs right now, they fought tooth and nail with the Orlando Pirates. They fought tooth and nail with the possibility of stopping Orlando Pirates from winning the league. But again, lokho ke akwenzekanga ngoba iSundowns ithe badoda enikwenzayo nathi sizokwenza. You have to love ibhola vese. Ibhola